Just a quick video. We drove into camp. It's December 10th. Might be a little bit of snow flurries out here. But we drove in. No more than 6 inches here and there. Winter wonderland. Here you can see a little better how deep it is. There's my foot. It's got a crust on it, so that's what I have to be careful of. I did want to see how the bill's doing, and from here looks like it survived all right. We won't be here long because we got a couple other stops to make, but I wanted to just show us getting in here. All right, so we drove in. I managed to turn around. Oh, guess we won't show that. Linda wanted me to show all the food going out here. Might have a few pictures later that I can grab from the camera. But good. They'll be good until springtime when we can come up again. This is January 10th, and it's probably about 25 degrees up here. Beautiful though, quiet, nice blue sky. All right, well,